friends, welcome to Parul Ka Zaika. Today I am going to make papad paratha. Click subscribe button and bell icon so that you get the instant notifications of my new upcoming videos. And to make this recipe, the ingredients will require are 6 roasted papad, 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, 1 bowl of fresh coriander, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, salt to taste, 250 grams of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of oil and water. First in a bowl, put wheat flour, 2 teaspoons oil, salt and mix well. Now add water and mix it and prepare a dough. Now cover and keep it at least for 15 minutes. Next in a bowl, crumble roasted papad. Now put onion, chilies, red chili powder, coriander cumin seeds powder, chaat masala, dry mango powder, coriander leaves, salt and prepare stuffing. Now take little dough, dust it with dry wheat flour. Now roll it little. Now put little oil and little red chili powder and spread over it. Now put prepared stuffing on it and cover it from all the sides. Now dust it again with dry flour and prepare paratha. Now on pan, put paratha and roast it on one side. Now change the side and roast the same way. Now on upper side of paratha, put little oil and turn upside down and roast it until golden brown. Repeat the process the same way. Prepare all the parathas the same way. Hot papad parathas are ready to serve. If you have liked this recipe, then please don't forget to click subscribe button on this side and this side click to watch my other videos. Soon I'll upload more recipes. Till then, stay foodie and stay healthy.